What is perfection? It's the spark of an idea which shapes the matter and inspires the future. Perfection is a delicate balance between the breeze and the windstorm, between wet and dry. It's a matter of energy, how you use it, how you save it. It's a gentle power in your hands, strength and silence. Perfection is precision. It's timeless beauty, a sublime balance of forms. Perfection is a matter of freedom, freedom of choice. It's knowledge at your fingertips. But perfection would not be perfect without intelligence, without a higher thinking which keeps all together, connected across distances and time. Perfection is a recipe for success. It's choosing the finest ingredients, making them match and exalting one another. The new BAKERLUX Shop.Pro. Perfection is now.